niggas, I don't give a fuck. Most of these niggas be still in the swag. Bitch, I don't butter, it runs in the blood. Man, your bitch, I mean just like a stud. For the next time, step in the touch. Hitting the all the bass on repeat. Too many hoes, I don't know how to cuff. Money that's I got that shit that I like. Pay me in full, I don't deal with a cut. Please don't rush. Hashtag blessed, I'm the chosen one. She don't wanna leave cause the night is still young. She told me she love me, it's hard to believe. I didn't do much, now she fighting with me. Applying the pressure, you know how we do. Chowing this bitch, I'm not taking the L. Bringing the heat like I'm born in Miami. Scoring these hoops like I'm Tyler the hero. Don't talk much, keep the budget on zero. Flowing the beat, you might sweat the shit boat. Take that bitch, I don't fight for hoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's go. You heard he did, I don't wanna know he a broken pencil, he pointless. Yeah, fly as a bird. Shitting on niggas, I don't give a fuck. Most of these niggas be still in the swag. Bitch, I don't butter, it runs in the blood. Man, your bitch, I mean just like a stud. For the next time, step in the touch. Hitting the all the bass on repeat. Too many hoes, I don't know how to cuff. Thank you. Y'all know the vibes, guys. Like, I Latiba, boys. Like Latiba. We back. The fuck we on?
Has the power to change the world. It has the power to inspire. It has the power to unite people in a way that little else does. It speaks to youth in a language they understand.